Abang abasi.
Mpunedi usene mana eti yogo eti yangwana wo eti yogo iso nga ayeka mpodan mpo isopke ayeka kaka eyasi mongadi Mrs. Stella Etok.
Today is the birthday of a fine woman, beautiful woman, a woman with a good heart, a good wife to the husband. Her name is Mrs. Stella Small.
Abasi okpere bele ni me
Abang
me fidi small.
that's Etok.
Afomori yong ide mo
Kaka mama.
akaka nweke mo
University of Oxford.
aworore
Iki wait for the babe.
asasama
Daughter.
aka Nko SPP
AKA I hear SPP.
aworore
Go SPP. So me yeah. Ke Oxford English. Banyan kedo.
Esuke sasamo o edi yangwana wo siampuna iro sene mana fo
Beautiful somebody's wife. Cause today is your day.
yo ya abasari yong fi
We say may God bless you.
baba se pe me fi
God will protect you.
akpe me fru fo
Protect your household.
yo ko de mi di tokke fi
A bad leg covering will not touch
yo
you.
ri agiri yo ri
You will not eat a bad food.
yo du tem ku di yo ri angu na be fo
You will not cook a bad food for your husband.
idaga di nam de franya ko tun ikam edi taga fi
When you be doing fire will not burn you in the kitchen.
aworore
Etongika.
o edi yewo siampuna iro sene mana fo ido di yam ba
Job.
nemesa
Happy.
kwa
Sing.
nevune
Dance.
namidara
Rejoice. Rejoice. About kingdom of God idige kangana. Kamedi yong si wede bro. Rejoice for the kingdom of God is at hand. Ibarake an kanga so nyiri di yongake. Ikida na midadi bro. Kingdom of God ididi. Kamedi yong mini one or two di cash up with so. Yeah, rejoice so.
Amori yang ide mo.
Kamama.
O di yewo ko frenyan kese ni namde mi. Otu edi yeyenfu edi ya parawa aye kaka ero yang ni na mi no fi. Enga simongadi great mwana Etok.
Don't forget, this birthday shout-out is being sponsored by your lovely son, very handsome son, a very good son, a son with a good heart that loves the mother. His name is Akamba Shining Small.
Kuni ba yene me yo?
Abang,
Ni firi akamba.
that's great. Comedy age mo age see the top. See that muddy name kodo a kama. That's great.
Adi de yen mo.
Adide yen mo.
Okay, di yene di great. So
Eh.
mari kede ay Etok akamba.
Bam. Everybody wanna.
If you are yene wana.
Family endo ne megba.
Happy birthday to you from Ebegbo.
That's kanda.
We love you. My head.
Abasi.
Abang ayong Ebegbo.
Boma.
Sasama.